Some people care about clothes. Some people care about cars. Some people about big TVs. Very big TVs. But do you know what most people really care about? Other people. And we're no different. For us, the world is connected. We're all one big nation. The nation. We're here to connect you to 5 major causes. I think you'll agree, they're pretty important. Anti-racism, ensuring every human gets equal treatment no matter what race. Education. School is by far the best way to give poor children a future. AIDS. A fight we'll only win through education and treating those we can. Breast cancer. With 1 in 8 women affected, free testing must be given to whoever needs it. And hunger. The world's biggest killer, and one that is totally unacceptable in these modern times. And this is where you come in. Choose your cause and buy yourself a t-shirt. This helps in 2 different ways. The obvious one is that a big slice of the money you pay goes directly to help the people you've chosen to support. The second is the slick t-shirt that'll show what you're supporting and hopefully encourage others to follow your lead. Even better, just send us a photo of you wearing it and we'll put you up on the site as a supporter. So, the Nation helps all you Zabulous, Zamazing people support the causes that matter to you. The Nation, engaging you for a better tomorrow.